Hey guys, I'm just gonna make a quick update video to let you know where I've been because I didn't put out a video on Monday, but Monday was Labor Day, as you know, so I spent my time with family and, doing all the family stuff. And yesterday I got a little busy, got a little tired, and didn't put a video out, obviously. But this video is just to let you know that I am going to be doing a music video here soon, and I'll be putting out a couple of videos. I'll put out the music video, and then I'll also show you a lot of the effects and what I did to make the music video, how I made it. And so if you want to learn more about that, then you can go ahead and subscribe and turn the notifications on, and you'll be getting one here soon. It should be out hopefully this week, if not next week, so I'll let you know, and till then, we'll see you next time.